Welcome back. Unable to find a deodorant that works, one young entrepreneur decided to take a do-it-yourself approach, resulting in a thriving business. It's the story of Oozecosmetics. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
Rolls of neatly labeled deodorant now fill the shelves in the home factory of Chanel Hewitt, CEO of Oozecosmetics. It's a far cry from the frustration that once plagued her.
I noticed that I had a body odor. At the end of the day, I'd have body odor like underneath my navel and like at my bikini line. And when I used regular deodorant there, it gave me huge cysts and ingrown hairs. And no, I don't want that on my skin. So I decided to come up with a solution.
No longer sweating the small stuff, the product is now gaining traction in the local market. But success didn't come overnight.
It actually took about 6 months to come up with a perfect formula, and I tested it out on somebody that they work with me, they sweat a lot, like heavily throughout the day. So the first deodorant I made and I gave it to him, it failed in like maybe 6 hours. So okay, then going back to the drawing board, I went back like 5 times to come up with the product. When it lasted all day, it lasted like 48 hours. I'm like, okay, I have something here.
Her initial investment was $50,000 Jamaican dollars to purchase these ingredients both locally and internationally, and another $200,000 to import these tubes from China.
After doing the research, I discovered alpha hydroxy acids. So those are skin-friendly acids that are found in fruits. So this particular one is found in an almond. It's called mandelic acid, and that's what actually stops the body odor from forming on the skin.
To ensure her investment paid off, she used a targeted social media campaign to market the product. And before she knew it, she sold over 150 in one go.
And I basically said in the ad, if you're struggling with body odor, then you need this.
Now, her once modest business is boasting a 52% profit margin, having earned 1 million Jamaican dollars in 2023. And since the start of this year, she has expanded the brand with the launch of additional products.
I launched my vaginal cleansing suppositories. So those are good for yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, and just to restore the natural pH of the vagina. I also have a body wash. So it's to complement the deodorant. It's called the Sweeter Body Deodorizing Body Wash.
Suitable for anyone aged 16 and up, this cosmetology aficionado is bright-eyed about the future. While her products are currently only available online, she hopes to have them stocked in pharmacies across the island. Not just these ones, but stick deodorant. And to take things up a notch, she plans to enter the international market for sales on Amazon, the largest online retailer, by the end of this year.
So I need to just get a team so I can scale and push more into marketing and operations and really get our name out there.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.